What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Bought this Stens genuine replacement parts. It's an oil drain valve. This is the model number. It's a 3/8 of an inch adapter. It's basically a drain valve that you would plug into, generally small engines. I'm going to use it on my lawnmower, basically, because it has a standard oil drain plug. And unplugging it means you've got to have this trough to drain the oil because it kind of gets everywhere. You got to thread it back in. And so one of the things that was really interesting to me is to be able to put one of these in. And Scott is the one that kind of turned me on to this bad boy. And so hopefully it'll work here. And I'm looking forward to hopefully many years of convenient oil changes. Now, what you can see here is we have a metal collar and threaded pipe. This is the 3/8 inch part, and it's already Teflon coated, it looks like, so it should hold a seal. You can see here it's 6-sided, so you should be able to just take any adjustable wrench and kind of tighten it down, or your open-ended wrench. This part here looks like kind of a hardened plastic. And there's some grips here, and there's a little detent kind of holding it in place, and that's how you kind of will, I guess you'll have to push it in to unlock it and then pull it out. As you can see, it kind of follows that track there, and that will allow you, hopefully, to drain the oil. It also has a little cap here, kind of pulling it off an angle. See, it's threaded there. Basically, what you can do here is put on like a silicone hose, clear, hose on there, and put that directly into your catch reservoir, so if I've got it open here, and then now I can pull it out. There, I was just pulling it out, and you can see then that plug basically gets pulled back from the plastic, and that allows everything to drain out. And if I just blow on this, I should be able to blow air, and actually I can see light through there. Yep, blow right through it. And then when you're done, you just push this back on, twist that over, that should hold it. And if I blow on the back again, nothing. That's holding not only air, but it should hold the oil in. So you just put this back on after you're taking the hose off, put this back on. Now, let me take it out to my lawnmower and show you. It's going to be a tight fit, so I'm going to just kind of eyeball it right now and give you a little tour of what that looks like. All right, so out here with my Poulon Pro, this is the Briggs & Stratton 15.5 horsepower motor here, and you can see that I've got the oil plug right here. Now, one of the things is I might want to actually relocate this cord here, maybe just down a little bit. Looks like I just clip that off, just kind of have that out of the way, or maybe kind of hold that down. But basically what you'll do is you'll take out the oil plug right here and then put this one in. Now, I will say that the bottom of the plug here is pretty close to this frame, so you don't have a lot of clearance to put this in, but it looks like, to me, might be hard to see here, that I could put this in and it would just leave me just a hair of space underneath. So it looks like I should be able to tighten it down here with the guy with the collar kind of hitting the bottom. And then I should be able to change my oil much easier. So this is the plug that would allow me to do that moving forward here without, spilling oil and getting dirty. So if you want to make it a little easier on yourself in the future, check it out. Peter Von Panda out.